horribly medicinal and rubbery. Smell like rubber gloves. Yeah, smells quite rubbery. Tested in store. Okay, welcome back. It's me again, and I'm continuing on in this series of unboxing that massive haul that I recently got and doing each fragrance a favor and giving them the time and the attention that they deserve and doing them one by one. So today we have a very, very popular scent. A scent that I have never reviewed before. It's because I never had it before, and I've tested it out on numerous occasions. Many years ago was the last time I actually tried to test it. So opening it up and testing it today is going to be like a first impression for me. And considering I've been going through some really high-end stuff, I wonder what kind of impression this is going to make on me. I have like hundreds, maybe a little bit more than hundreds of bottles. I'm not going to admit to the number because I haven't counted, because it's kind of difficult to count. And given the variety and some of the really high-end stuff that I've got, I wonder what Oud Wood is going to smell like. Yeah. I don't know if this is a vintage. I don't know if they do like vintages, but like, here you go. This is Oud Wood. I could check the batch code, but I don't know too much about Oud Wood. I kind of shy away from all the popular doodads and gizmos and things like that. So let's have a go at you, Tom Ford. So Oud Wood, originally released in 2007, perfumed by a guy called Richard Herpin. Richard Herpin. I hope that's how I'm pronouncing his name. Maybe his friends call him Dick Herpin. And, okay, he's sniffing things here. All right, let's find out some of the things that this guy has done. Well, of course, the most popular thing he's done is Oud Wood. Great. He's done something for Amouage's library collection, Opus 8. Badge of admission, nothing really. How can this be? How can this be that we've got nothing here? Oh, okay, so Hermenegildo Zenya, Indonesian Oud, that's not too bad. Precious Liquid, that's not bad. But we're going down the list here, and I do not see anything that is even close to the popularity of Oud Wood. That's all right. You can be a one-hit wonder. If your one hit was Oud Wood, that's pretty damn good. Okay. Oud Wood, let's go. It's your turn. I hope it's real. I don't usually have reservations of like, this could be a fake or whatever from the niche fragrances that I buy. Like, I don't think anyone's trying to fake Creed. I mean, yes, people are trying to fake Aventus all the time, but no one's trying to fake Royal Mayfair, for example. Who the fuck's trying to fake Royal Mayfair? Or who's trying to fake Bracken Man by Amouage? I don't know. So, but everyone's trying to fake Oud Wood. Actually, I have a friend of mine who sent me a message. It's like, what was the name of it? Tim Ford Oud Wood. Interesting. I wonder if the packaging on this has changed over the years. If the packaging on this has changed over the years, then it would give you like some kind of impression that you'd be able to date these. But because the batch codes, they repeat every 10 years. The batch codes repeat every 10 years. And the batch code on this one is extremely difficult to tell. Oh, there it is. It is AA1. I'm going to check it. It says it's from 2021. Okay, so it's new. Or it's from 2011. I don't know about that. I don't think it's from 2011. I think it's from 2021. So, yeah, that's pretty new. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here we go. There it is, 100 ml. Oh, goddamn. Okay. Is that supposed to be in there like this? Is that supposed to stay there? I don't know. I don't know because it's my first bottle of Tom Ford in the private blend collection. What are the notes in here? What am I supposed to be smelling? Supposed to be smelling? That's not filling me with confidence. Is it supposed to just lift off like that and not be able to support itself? I don't know. So far, and then the atomizer backwards. Okay. Let's put it here. Ow. One in my eye. The hell is this? What? This is the thing? This is the thing? Come on. I can't take that seriously. This is the thing that's like so popular and stuff? How popular is this? 4.33 out of 5 with 12,315 votes. I don't know about that. I don't know about that 12,315 voters. I'm not sure about that. Like, okay, oud? There's no oud in here. I think famously known that there is actually no oud in Oud Wood. It's just an accord, is what it is. Brazilian rosewood, cardamom, sandalwood, Sichuan pepper, vanilla, vetiver, tonka bean, amber. If none of those words make any sense to you, that's fine. But the whole thing is, it's supposed to be oud wood. There is no oud in here. But it kind of smells like oud. But it does not smell like proper Brazilian rosewood. I don't even know what that is. Is it supposed to smell like that? Now I have to go and check to see if, like, that's what it's supposed to smell like. Because that doesn't seem like it would be a very popular fragrance to me. What else is this supposed to smell like? Is it supposed to be much sweeter than this, is it? No. Woody, oud, warm, spicy. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know about this one, guys. Oud Wood. You're really getting a thumbs down from me. That's bad. That's bad. I probably need to... Maybe I need to sort of let it sit for a little bit and then come back to it. Or maybe I just need to... Next time I'm in a department store, maybe I'll just try out the Oud Wood that's sitting on the shelf there and see whether or not it's supposed to actually smell like this, whether or not this is even a legit bottle of Oud Wood. I think it is. It certainly looks like it is. I don't know why it wouldn't be. Okay, it's getting slightly better now. I should give it a little bit of time, so just let it settle into past the opening. Maybe I should just... Pleasant and enjoyable opening notes is one of the main things that's been picked up out of the reviews here. I don't know about that. It smells like rubber. It smells like rubber. Does anybody say that it smells like rubber? Yes. Rubber. Black leather, rubber, coal. Okay. Softens somewhat. Gets powdery in the dry down. Okay. Horribly medicinal and rubbery. Smell like rubber gloves. Yeah. Smells quite rubbery. Tested in store. Yeah, weird. Maybe I'll try it on a tester strip. All right. I'm going to try it on a tester strip because this is really not working well on my skin. I don't know. It just doesn't smell that great. So, yeah. Should just maybe I'll just even let some more air into the bottle by doing this as well. So, yes. Okay, there's like some kind of alcoholic, I mean, not alcoholic, there's no alcoholic in here, but there is like a boozy sort of element. Pleasant. Maybe my skin just doesn't do it right. Actually, it's sweetening up on my skin. Okay. I'll give it some time. As always, I did a video about this. I did a video about like you have to give fragrances time to mature. You have to give your nose time to understand a fragrance, especially if it's something that sort of initially repulses you. Either you will come around to it or the fragrance will actually evolve and mature, or a bit of both. And sometimes, quite often, it just won't happen. And you have to draw the line as to when that is and cut your losses and go, well, this isn't for me, and I'm just going to move it on and try something else. Or stick to what you know. Okay, on the tester strip, it's much better. But yeah, I don't see the big deal. It's not that revolutionary. I don't think it would have been that revolutionary even in 2007. 2007, what was happening in 2007? 2007, what was I wearing? There's some bangers in 2007. Gucci pour Homme 2 came out in 2007, and that would have been, that's way better than this. My country mile, mate. Yeah. Jubilation 25 came out in 2007. That's also way better than this, and in the same class with its booziness. As always, I will give things a chance. Give love a chance. Give Tom Ford a chance. Giving Tom Ford a chance. And yeah, I'll report back maybe in like a closeout sort of video of this massive whole series and come back and tell you actually what my thoughts are. These are my reactions, and maybe I'll do a response and yeah, and just close it all out. Give it all a bit of closure. Yeah, that would be nice. Cool. Anyway, thanks for watching.